Hey everybody, this is Kevin with Ken's Sewing Center in Muscle Shoals, Alabama. In this video, I want to talk to you about the Janome Travel Mate 30. The Travel Mate 30 is a very portable machine. It's lightweight. If you notice the size of this machine, it's a 3/4 size head machine. It weighs 11 pounds. Folks, just because it weighs 11 pounds, this is not a toy by any means. Janome uses a good quality motor. It's got the good quality working components, metal hook. This machine is designed to last. It's going to be very lightweight and going to be extremely portable moving from class. If you're bringing in for service, you're not going to have to worry about carrying a boat anchor around with you, but having a good quality machine. Now, it's a great machine. If you got someone that's just starting to sew, or like we said, you take a lot of classes and you don't want to have to lug your big machine around with you. This machine is going to give us 30 of the most popular sewing stitches built in. I'm going to have the horizontal spool pin. Janome even gives you the vertical spool pin if you want to use different types of thread or if you want to do twin needle sewing. I do have the carrying handle built in. Threading is a breeze on this machine. I've got the channel threading all the way down to my needle, and I do have the built-in needle threader on the Travel Mate 30. It will have the top drop-in bobbin system. I can see my bobbin at any given time. This machine will have the 4-point feed dog system on it, so it's touching my fabric in 4 places for even and smooth feeding. I've got that extra high lift under the presser foot for getting thicker materials underneath. Got the snap-on, snap-off presser feet, and this is a standard low shank machine. There's going to be dozens of attachments, dozens of different types of quilting, garment construction, you name it, and Ken's carries everything that's made for the Travel Mate 30. I can remove my accessory tray off of the machine, and that exposes my free arm for hemming pant legs or shirt sleeves, and I can keep all my accessories right in the machine there in the little cavity. We'll have a little razor on this side of the machine, so if I want to snip those threads off, I'm easily able to do that. Now on the front of the machine, I have the 30 most popular stitches that are built in. I've got my ability to adjust the length and the width on all the sewing patterns. So this machine goes up to 7 millimeters in stitch width. I can do a 4 millimeter stitch length. So it's a wide variety of adjustments on my stitches. But I've got the straight stitch. I will have the ability to move my needle over if I'm putting in cording or piping or putting in a zipper or something to that effect. I have the double straight stitch. It sews 2 stitches forward and 1 reverse, automatically back tacking. Of course, you're going to have zigzag. I've got overcast and blanket stitches. I've got blind hem stitches built in on the machine. It has the 1-step buttonhole maker on this machine. It will come with a specialized attachment for allowing you to make those buttonholes every time to the button that you're working with. So that makes it really nice. I've got applique stitches on this machine. Janome even gives you some extra quilting attachment with this machine. You get the 1/4 inch foot with this model. I even have the old-timey feather stitch or briar stitch built in. I have a few decorative stitches that are built in as well. Now, this machine does come with electronic foot control. The harder you press it, the faster the machine's going, but I can override the speed of the machine right here. So if I have this turned all the way to the left and I press the foot control as hard as I can, it's only going to operate at a very slow speed. This is great for a beginner. This is also great if you're taking a class and doing something new that you've never done before and you want to make sure you don't make a mistake. Just slow the speed down. It's no problem whatsoever. I do have the needle up, needle down on this model. I can have the machine stop, needle in the fabric if I'm turning a corner, or maybe I'm doing an applique and I want to get a certain point. Make sure that needle stops in my fabric. Of course, I can have it stop, needle out of the fabric, and that's where you're going to be doing most of the time, so that you make sure that you don't break a needle, rip a hole in your fabric, forgetting where that needle's at. I do have the auto lock feature built in. That auto lock is going to tie the stitch off underneath for me, so it's hidden and out of the way. You'll probably never use your reverse again because that auto lock is going to tie that stitch off so it's hidden for you. And it's going to make your garments look so much better on top. This is a nice feature to have, the start-stop button. I can unplug my foot control here, and now I can use the start-stop button to operate the machine. Once you get used to using that, you may never use your foot control again, but you have the ability to go back and forth between the two. The tension is very easy to set on this machine. Basically, for 99% of your garments that are out there, leave the setting between 4 and 5 and you're never going to have a problem. However, any problem you have, any question you have about this machine, you have our premium support package included with the Travel Mate 30. All you got to do is sitting in front of your machine, pick up the phone and give us a call. We have 5 technicians here to help you, several educators to answer any kind of question that you may have about this machine. Now I'm going to show you the quality of this machine. You would not think about doing something this heavy on a small machine with a lot of the brands are out there. But here I've got a heavy grade denim, and I'm going to do 8 layers of denim. That's basically going to be thicker than most of the side seams on a pair of denim blue jeans. And notice the extra high lift under my presser foot. I've got that 4-point feed system. I'm not worried about this machine being able to feed this material. It's going to handle it with no problem whatsoever. I've got my machine on straight stitch, and we'll back the speed down just a little bit for demonstration purposes to show you. Hit that start stop button, and we can speed up just a little bit. But this machine, because of the top drop-in bobbin system, it's going to be able to crawl up over things and crawl down onto your garments and not compromise the tension. You're still going to get perfect tension. See how fast the machine can go? It can motor along really good through our fabrics. Now I'm going to go from this to this stretch material. Notice how my feed dogs grabs that material. I've even sewed a few stitches without even going in fabric. It's not jamming the machine up. I'm not having to worry about that at all. When I get to the end of my seam, I'm going to hit this auto lock. Auto lock is going to tie that stitch off for me so it's secured, it's underneath. That back tack's not going to show on the top. I have the raise that setting. I've got a little razor on this side. And then I went from extreme heavy to a cotton to a stretch material. It's handled all those materials with no problem whatsoever. My fabric's going to look great. The stitching is perfect. Ken Sewing Center is your authorized Janome dealer. We've been an authorized Janome dealer since 1971. We carry all accessories and parts for the Travel Mate 30. We can compare this model to any other model, any other brand that's out there. Feel free, check it out on our website. There's more information there. Or pick up the phone and give us a call. We'll be glad to help you anytime.